Hi there, this is Shravan Mukka, and I'm a business transformation consultant by profession and an entrepreneur from heart. In my previous videos, I was referring about the 12 core areas which, if handled properly, has the potentiality to transform any business or a startup into 100% successful mode. Please note that I'm talking about transformation, a total makeover of a business or a startup, addressing any difficulty they might possibly face. I can assure that you name any problem or challenge in a business operation, I have covered the solution in my 12 areas. I call the entire process as 12-step business transformation process, as you can see on the screen. I covered the second step, which I call as is and to be analysis in my previous video, and I hope you enjoyed the same. Every single area is very crucial, as understanding each area will take you closer to your dream destination of empowering yourself with end-to-end business knowledge. This is my third video on business transformation, and here I cover the third step, which I call product or service analysis. Product is a tangible item and which is something physically available in the market for user consumption. On the other hand, service is an intangible item, which is the effort of an individual or a team to deliver the required output. So product or service is something which grabs attention and or the consumption from the users and is a fundamental element around which the entire business revolves. And the deeper the product or service analysis, the best are the results. According to CBN Insights, every year, more than 42% of startups are failing because of product or service related challenges. If the product or service strength is properly analyzed, 18 million companies out of 45 million failing startups every year globally could be shown a way to success. For getting the best product or service analysis, it's highly recommended to do SWOT analysis, competitor analysis, and right product positioning. Now, let's observe the link between product or service analysis and business transformation. As you know, the primary objective of a business transformation is to learn how to analyze and find the pain points any business or a startup or a company is facing and recommend the best possible ways with simple metrics. Product or service is the basic ingredient for any analysis to kickstart. The entire analysis will be based on product or service features and USPs. Any product or service could be called as perfect when it goes all the litmus tests. Technically, there is no business transformation without the right product or service analysis. I hope now you got the basic link between the product or service analysis and the business transformation. Now, imagine you are a consultant or a job seeker or someone who is looking for career growth. If you are able to find simple ways which exponentially improves your skills and helps you to be a part of overall success journey of a company, what you will do? What if you have a deep knowledge on this product or service analysis with end-to-end clarity? Does it improve your profile value or not? If you have a detailed understanding and knowledge on product or service analysis, and if your potential client or employer know that you have this additional qualification, can they afford to ignore you? You have to observe 2 points here. On one side, I'm talking about business transformation core points, and on the other side, I'm talking about developing the same skills for your profile. Business transformation does not happen by itself. Someone has to initiate the process. I'm trying to cover about improving your skills on one hand through business transformation, and on the other hand, showing ways how to showcase your strengths and knowledge to your target employer or client. If you improve your product or service analysis skills and then project your profile, do you think you have to go behind the companies or they have to come all the way in search of you? Further, here are some potential questions which need to be understood about product or service analysis. Knowing these answers will give immense confidence in addressing majority of the business challenges related to product or service. The questions could be something like, what is the importance of product or service analysis? What could be the possible steps in analyzing product or service competitor analysis? What is product positioning and what is its importance? How is it linked with business transformation? What is the importance of product or service SWOT analysis? And the list continues. So, to conclude, you have to take action. Tony Robbins says the only impossible journey is the one you never begin. Don't get into that syndrome. Act now by start questioning. I would recommend your first action is to get 100% clarity on the questions I asked. Understand the power of questions. Personally, I feel we get more clarity with questions because they force us to think. I would like to give an example. The example is, can you explain about rockets? Yes, the question is simple. Can you explain about rockets? Now, just for a change, if we are asked to write down as, list the possible different questions you want to know about space rockets. Did you observe the difference between the two? That's what I'm talking about. Trust me, we would get unlimited questions, and when we are keen and clear on the questions, the moment we listen to answers, we get connected immediately. It actually acts as a motivating point also. This is the power of questions. Now, apply the same logic here. Don't try to jump into answers right away regarding product or service analysis. All I request you to understand the concept at a high level and list questions which you might get after going through the video. Stay connected with the total business transformation concept, and I will come with a grand solution by end of the 12 videos, which gives the best possible solutions for all the questions we collectively raised on the product or service analysis and how it is linked with your career progression. Try to understand that this is the third video out of 12 and stay connected for my next video on company analysis. Thanks for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this video. All the best and see you in my next video.